Hey guys, I want to show you this most affordable electric bicycle. It comes with a rack, with the fenders, which is actually working. I was riding in a mud off-road just right now, as you can see, and it's after rain. My pants still good, no dirt, so it works. Second, I want to show you it comes with a front suspension, which is good, front fork suspension. It comes with dual brake system, 160 millimeters, which is mechanical, okay, with 21 speed gear, 7 on the back and 3 on the front cranks. So motor, it's not as powerful, but it can take you to the mountains, as I did today. It's 350 watt power. The battery is not large, it's 360 watt hours, but it can get you about between 10 to 25 miles based on your weight again. And here's a light turn on over here, very easy, one button light, come with horn, also 3-speed mode, easy to switch from low to high, can get between. On the throttle only, it will take you about 20 miles, and with pedal assist it will take you about to 25 miles an hour. It's a really cool bicycle, affordable for students to get to work, get on the bus. You can fit it to any bus rack most likely, because it comes with a 26 by 2 inches tires, which can fit most likely any rack. Removable battery, you can charge on the bike or off the bike, come with 2 keys, so it's a really good affordable bicycle.